Hello, my friends. How are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself, Ajay. Hope you all are doing great. So, guys, in this fucking video, I'm going to show you how to make simple, responsive template website using Bootstrap 5. So, guys, before showing you working demo, I must say, please watch the video till the end, and please subscribe my channel for latest Bootstrap 5 updates. So, guys, here we go. So, guys, on my screen you can see external file with Bootstrap 5. See, guys, fully functional, toggle sidebar, drop down menu, and guys, template is fully responsive for iPad Pro, for iPhone X. See, guys, Galaxy S. So, guys, have you seen template is fully responsive? And guys, like always, I will share the code snippet link inside the video description. So please get the code. And guys, if you will still have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then please comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. I will share all the details inside this video description. And guys, I will come with more demos. Bootstrap 5 and Angular 11. And in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.